Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw CRM field history from Salesforce into AI trend reports, full guide step by step clearly. Log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the object that contains the CRM field history you want to analyze. Click on the Reports tab in the main navigation menu. Select New Report to create a new report. Choose the appropriate report type that aligns with your CRM field history data. Apply relevant filters to narrow down the data you need. Customize the report by selecting specific fields, including field history information. In the Report Builder, drag and drop fields to arrange them for clarity. Preview the report to ensure it displays the correct data. Once satisfied, click on Save and Run to generate the report. After the report runs, click on Export to download the data. Choose the format for your export, such as CSV or Excel. Open the downloaded file in your preferred data analysis tool. Clean and organize the data in the tool for better clarity and analysis. Identify the key trends and insights from the CRM field history. Use data visualization techniques to illustrate these trends effectively. Create summary metrics to highlight significant changes over time. Organize your findings into a structured report format. Incorporate AI tools to enhance the analysis and predictions based on the data. Summarize your results into comprehensive AI trend reports. Prepare your final report for presentation or distribution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.